Ever wonder if there's more to your Roku than what's in the official channel store? The answer is yes. There's a whole world of secret non-certified apps you can unlock. I'm going to show you exactly how to add them using hidden codes. It's a straightforward process that's both fast and safe, letting you explore apps that are in beta testing or just not listed publicly. Before we start, let's gather what you'll need. First, the email address linked to your Roku account. Second, a web browser on your phone or computer. Third, the Roku website, my.roku.com. And finally, a private channel code, which I'll show you how to find later. First, let's confirm your Roku account email. On your Roku device, navigate to Settings, then select System, and finally go to About. On this screen, you'll see the email address associated with your device. Make a note of it. This is the exact email you must use to log in online, otherwise the channels won't sync to your TV. Now, grab your phone or computer and open a web browser. Go to my.roku.com and sign in using that same email and password. This step is crucial because it links the codes you're about to enter directly with your physical Roku device. Once you're logged in, look for the menu and navigate to Streaming Store, then select Add Channel with a code. You might also see it labeled as Add Beta App with Code. This is where the magic happens. Carefully type in the private channel code you have. A warning will pop up, explaining that the channel is non-certified. This is normal. If you trust the source of the code, accept the warning and click Add Channel. Now, let's check your Roku. The new channel won't appear instantly. It can take up to 24 hours, but you can speed it up. Go to Settings, System, and then System Update, and click Check Now. This forces your Roku to sync with your account. After the update, go back to your home screen and scroll to the very bottom of your app list. Your new channel should be there. Open it to make sure it works. So, where do you find these codes? A simple Google search for a Roku private channel list is a great start. You'll find Reddit threads and tech blogs that curate lists of codes. But a word of caution, many of these channels are beta versions or have been discontinued. This means some codes won't work and some apps might be unstable or crash. It's very important to only use codes from sources you find reputable. If a code fails, don't worry. It might be outdated or region locked. Just try another one. If an app you added is buggy, you can easily remove it. Just highlight the channel on your home screen, press the star button on your remote and select Remove Channel. Now for some quick answers to common questions. Is this legal? Yes, it's a legitimate feature for developers. Will it void your warranty? No, adding non-certified channels does not void your Roku's warranty. Why isn't the app showing up? It likely just needs time to sync, so force a system update. This is TOMTECH, Lifestyle and Travel. If you found this trick useful, subscribe for more just like it. I've put links to a few starter lists for private channels in the description below. Go ahead, try a few codes, and drop a comment to let me know which secret app you unlocked.